Welcome to this online National Product Catalogue tutorial Search for Items. The recipient GUI has a rich suite of search tools to use to enable you to quickly and precisely return only those items you're interested in right now. So let's log in and go and find them. We'll click on the item list and it returns a blank list because we've not executed any searches as yet. But here are our search tools on the left side of the item list screen. And we'll just begin using the quick search on the string Mike. This search has returned 24 items, and the quick search is just that. It's a quick way to return items that contain a string in one of the description fields of the item. I'm going to clear that search now and research with no criteria to return the full list of 118 items. Let's show 100 items at a time now. And this time we'll use the quick search again, but I'll just search on a partial string, MIK with a wildcard, and still we return the same 24 items. So we can use wildcards in our searches. I'll reset the search criteria. Now, using the advanced search, it lets you specify values or ranges for most of the item attributes and combine them into a powerful search. So let's find all our case level items that have been changed since the 1st of July. We select the trade item hierarchy equals case. And items that have with a change date greater than or equal to the 1st of July. So this might be a search where we're looking for items at case level that have been updated since the new financial year. We apply that search and it appears here in advanced search, and then we click on the search button. We're displaying 1 to 19 of the 19 items returned. Trade item hierarchy level we can see is all case as per our search, and we'll drag the change dat field further across to the left and sort on it. Scroll back to the left side of our columns. We'll reset our search criteria back to blank, and let's use the advanced search again to find all end-dated wine products that are classified as still wine. So in advanced search, the classification category code equals, and now we get a drop-down list of all the GPC codes, and we select still wine, and we use the AND operator to say and the end availability date is not empty. So this is showing all still wines across all suppliers that have been end dated, either historically or into the future. And we've got 7 items returning from that search. See, the classification there is all still wines. We'll clear out our advanced search using the reset button. And this time I'm going to do a combination search. I'm going to find all items from Mike's supplier catalogue that are at case level and have no prices. So this might be a search you'd like to do for a particular supplier who may have supplied you with item information but not any prices yet. So this would be a way you could check for that. So we're putting the supplier GLN in the item search widget. We're using the advanced search to say the hierarchy level equals case and applying that. And then we use the smart search to say, and also show me items without prices. And we apply all of those to create the combination. And we click on search. And we see that the system has returned 3 case level items from Mike that don't have prices, so we can perhaps contact Mike and see when they'll be coming through. Let's reset the search criteria again, and this time we'll just do a simple item search on an incomplete G-tin using a wildcard. Our search button, and we've returned 2 items that begin with those digits in their G-tin. Let's reset the search criteria again, and this time we're going to use the advanced search to search for all items across all suppliers that have the classification category code for still wine. So we can just click search there, we don't need to apply it. And we've got a returned list of 26, I think it says. And I'm going to scroll across, drag my classification category code further to the left, so it's sitting there. And we can see that these products come from across a range of suppliers. We've got the same classification, but we've got different suppliers of the items with the same classification. Clear out our search criteria. This time we'll search on the status of the item, and I want to see all rejected items. So these are the ones that I won't have received any updates for, and I'd need to reactivate if it was required. So I've rejected these because perhaps I'm no longer ranging them. This time we're going to use the advanced search to find base level items. I'll apply that to my advanced search box. And I want to know which base level items do have prices, and we'll just clear out the status filter. So show me base level items that do have prices, and I want to save this search. I'll call it bases with prices and save that. I'll execute that search now, and I see that across all the data in my GUI, I do have 2 base level items with prices against them. I can clear out those search criteria, and I can I'll bring up all my items again, and then I'll re-execute that same search by accessing it in the saved searches. Remember, I called it bases with prices, and I can just re-execute that saved search. And I can see the active price information about that item down below in the active prices tab. So before finishing our tutorial, just a note about time zones and how these affect your search results. In summary, you will return results based on where you are. For example, if an update was made at 2 p.m. on the Tuesday, but where you are is 2 hours behind, and for you it's only 12 o'clock midday, you won't see the results until it is past 2 p.m. where you are. So just keep that in mind if you have suppliers in time zones other than your own. Thank you for watching the National Product Catalogue Search for Items online tutorial.